The New York Attorney General has slammed the brakes on car loans provided by a Buffalo dealer. Call for Action's Al Vaughters reports new loans are stopped and existing contracts will be monitored.
For years, the owners of Master Motors would set up their own installment loans to sell used cars to their least credit-worthy customers.
Master Motors created a market effectively by financing the vehicles itself.
Problem with that, officials insisted they needed a license from the state banking department, an important tool to protect consumers.
To handle, for example, very confidential information that when a consumer is making a loan, they're giving a Social Security number, their employment information, banking account information.
The banking department put the owners on notice. Then last summer, the Attorney General subpoenaed Master Motors records from their lots on Bailey Avenue and in Lockport. Assistant Attorney General Jim Morrissey points out, without a license, the car dealer can fly under the radar of state regulators.
We want to make sure if you're licensed, you know that the disclosures you have to give consumers, that it's that you disclose the APR or the interest rate.
So the owners agreed to stop doing their own financing and paid a $25,000 fine.
These loans were made to high-risk individuals where traditional sources of financing, i.e. bank financing, or secondary sources were not available.
Attorney Joseph Mikowski told us the owners actually gave up the financing end of the business more than a year ago and chose not to fight the state.
There were alternative ways to get their product to end-user customers without procuring a state finance license.
Now Master Motors is working with banks and credit unions to finance their cars, while the Attorney General monitors those loans still in effect. You can call the consumer hotline at 853-8404. Master Motors is also a member of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. Now officials tell us that rating is under review. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 6.